Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can tell by the thumbnail, I have gotten a new bike. I got the 2020 Commencal Clash Race.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, state your name.
Alright, so I'm gonna take this into the driveway and then we're gonna build it up. Okay, this is another day. I'm going to be installing the new Deity Death Trap pedals to my bike. I'll show you guys the video. Pedals, they look pretty nice. A little bigger than the other pedals that we're running, like the size is bigger in general. Let me close this up. Open it up for you guys. This is the right one. This is the left one. So here they are. New Deity Death Trap pedals. I like them. They look pretty nice. Let's do some magic to install them. So get that off there. Okay. Here's some magic. Let's go. Whoa, that's just lovely how that works. And come get a closer look. I like them a lot. I think they'll be super sick. I think they'll ride well. They match nice with the fabric seat and the red lyric. And yeah, I'm super excited about how this bike came out. So I can't wait to get some riding clips for you guys in the future. All right, this is the bike fully built. I am very happy with it. It looks super sick. It's perfect for what I'm gonna do on a bike, etc. I really enjoy it. The color's pretty sick. I mean, the silver gunmetal with the red lyric and the red accented pedals. I like it a lot. Alright, I'm gonna post an upload really soon of the specs on the bike and the components that come with it and the pedals I put on it. The Deity Death Trap pedals. So look for that upload, and thanks for watching.